We see social media as an important part of our marketing mix, and we want to make sure that we get it right. In the past year, we have been developing a range of products, and our marketing message has actually got quite confused. And what we found from the Ascend program, it allowed us to actually focus on what is important and make sure that we get the right communication messages to the right audience using the right media.
What do you think is the major benefit that you got as a company from the Ascend program and the effect that had on your business?
The quantity and quality, and I'm more interested in the quality of the inquiries that have been coming through as a result of the Ascend program, has certainly gone up.
And what did you actually do as a result of the Ascend program? What sort of project did you produce and how did you implement that into your business?
Yeah, most importantly, what we decided to was to differentiate between the different services that Fripp Design and Research offers. So Fripp Design and Research as a company is primarily an industrial design business, and the needs of those customers is very different to customers that would be interested in our new 3D print technology, 3D printing silicon. The problem we were having is that we were using the same social media and communication methodologies for both. And of course it was confusing customers. Customers weren't sure whether we were an industrial design business or whether we were a 3D printing business. What the Ascend program has allowed us to do is to differentiate and focus on those key audiences.
In relation to the actual people that were teaching you the program itself, how did you find the actual teachers and the learning they were passing on to you?
I was extremely impressed with yours and Martin's input into the course. And it wasn't as much about the methodology, it was more your enthusiasm for the subject matter. And I think it's always important that when you're being trained by somebody, is A, that they are passionate about what they're doing, but also very knowledgeable about what they're doing. There's nothing worse than being trained by somebody who's read a textbook rather than actually experienced and lived what it is that we're trying to do as a business.
So in terms of people potentially looking to sign up for the course and companies within our sector, what would be your advice to them in relation to it?
The most important thing for me is that whoever comes on the training course has to come on with the support of the senior management of the organisation that they work for, and that this isn't seen as simply as a qualification for somebody to put onto their CV to make them feel good about themselves at the time when they're doing the training. It has to be understood by the entire business, the impact that it will have. And as much as that, it's about time. Building PR, and building a social media campaign and creating the brand awareness that you want to using social media tools is a slow burn. It's something that you've got to do every day. You've got to commit the resources to it, and you've got to make sure that everybody in your organisation buys into it as well.